a smile. That's why I need you around. When I'm with you, I'm the happiest. Cause you're the purpose for my happiness. I dedicate this song to you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Itlali. If you guys don't know me, I'm 15 and pregnant. So today's video is gonna be about me going to an ultrasound appointment, and I'm gonna record what I'm doing today, like during the day. But anyways, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoy. So I'm here at my appointment and we're running late. We're like 10 minutes late. But I look like, hold up. I look like a mess right now. Don't mind that. Excuse the noise in the background. I don't think they let me record in there, so I'll just record when we get out. So I had to reschedule. They're like acting all like weird about, because I took my brother and then I was like, can he wait in the waiting area? And they're like, no, he can't. And I was like, okay, well, I'm not gonna leave him alone. And she's like, if you want, we can reschedule another day that you can come alone. And I was like, okay, whatever. And then yeah, so that happened. So now we're just gonna head over to give food to the horses, because my mom had forgot in the morning and she asked me if I could do it. So I'm gonna go do that, and then I'm gonna go home, and then I'm gonna get a couple like little clothes for the baby, because I need to like start getting my diaper bag ready, because I'm almost due and you never know. You just have to be prepared, you know. I'm due in like a couple of weeks, like 3 or 2 weeks and a couple days, so I have to be ready. I'm gonna go get like little clothes and stuff like that, and I need to get a couple stuff from the house, so we're gonna go do that. Here at the horses, there's a mess right there. Nothing. Can you not open it? No, it's hard. Hold this. Hold this. Huh. Anyway. Yeah. This is the little room where we keep our horses' food.
We got the little piece. Oh, the spider.
Yeah.
Not on here.
Alright.
Let's go.
Our horses right here.
No, really?
Do you need help?
Yeah.
You have to throw it from the top.
Like that?
Yeah.
Why?
Because right there it won't fit. Hi, babies. He's so cute.
He's so big now.
Get him the avena.
Oh yeah. Look at the
Anyways, right here, they keep a lot of horses. It's like, watch. There's one right there. I'm gonna get out so I can put water in his little bin. All the poop and the flies. He still has water, but I'm gonna fill it up. My toes. It's so hot, and look what I'm wearing. So this is the room. The cuna is right here. The baby's bed. I don't know how to say it in English, but yeah. And then this is the thing I was telling you, the bassinet or whatever it's called. I don't know. There's some coupons and stuff, but yes. And then over here we have, this is where like I keep like a little decoration spot, a couple extra blankets, and in here I'm pretty sure I have ultrasound pictures. And yeah, and then another little spot where she has her little shoes, her little elephant, and a couple ultrasound pictures. And then the rest is just like my stuff. But yeah, this is her cuna. And then where I have all her clothes is this little closet next to my room. As you can tell, she has pretty much a lot of clothes. I still have like more clothes, but I still need to like wash them. And then these are wipies, all this, and then diapers. So right now I'm just gonna choose what I'm gonna take in her diaper bag. And my diaper bag, I might not have it by the time I'm due because it's not gonna get here till June 20th and I'm due June 23rd. So what if I'm early? But I might have it, and if I do, then I'll put everything in there. If not, I'm gonna have to put it in a separate bag. But then I'll still do a diaper, like what's in my diaper bag video. So yeah. And then over here in my brother's room, this chair didn't fit in my room, but I got this chair so I can like rock her for her to fall asleep. So yeah, let me choose what I'm gonna take and then I'll show you guys what I'm gonna take. Okay, so this is all I'm taking. Let me show you guys exactly what I'm taking. So I'm gonna be taking this elephant. It's size newborn. And I'm gonna be taking this other one, which is also elephants. As you can tell, I really like elephants. It's pretty small. This one's like, you can have the little feet out. This one's not. This one's size 3 months, but it literally looks the same size as the newborn. And then I'm gonna take this little onesie, the flower one. It is size 0 to 3 months. This other one, which is elephants. And this one, I believe it's newborn. Yeah, newborn. And then this other one, which is elephants too. I'm taking pretty much everything elephants. This one is newborn too. And I'm taking this other elephant one, which is also newborn. It's so cute. And then the only elephant that's not elephant is this little fox one. But I don't know if it's gonna fit her. I feel like she's gonna come small, but I don't know what if she comes big. This one is 0 to 3 months. A little fox. And then I'm also taking like little pants and stuff. These little pants, they're so cute. These are newborn. And then these little pants, which these are these are also newborn. Yes, look at that. And then these are preemie, so if she comes even smaller than newborn, these are preemie, premature. And then this goes with this one, so that can be an outfit. And then this one, this elephant one, goes with this one. And then with this one, I can put it on with one of these, or else I'll put it on with one of these, but we'll see. And then I got these little mittens, like these match this one. And also I got these so it can match with whatever I'm gonna put on her. And then I'm gonna take these little bibs too. And then I'm gonna take this. My friend gave it to me. Shout out to my bed. And then I'm gonna take these little socks. Shout out to Alicia, thank you. And then I'm gonna take this little bag, which comes with essentials for the baby. Watch, little mittens, but I don't think I'm gonna wear these because these feel too rough. These feel nice. A little bottle, like a spray bottle. And then nail clippers, little scissors, a brush, but I'm pretty sure they give you most of this stuff, but I'm still taking extras just in case. A little toothbrush, a little peine, I don't know how you say it, and then it's just nail filers and a little thing for their teeth, like a little teeth there. But yeah, I think that's it. And then I'm also taking 3 packs, like 3 Pampers of newborn diapers, just in case, you never know. And then 3 of the size 1 Pampers. So that's, oh, and then some little hats. The fox hat, it can maybe match with that. And then this little hat that goes with this outfit. Cute. And then these barberos. I don't know how you say it in English, sorry. But yeah, I got 2 of these for like when she throws up or something. Or her little, yeah. That's pretty much everything I'm gonna have in my diaper bag for her. I still need to get my diaper bag ready, but I don't even know what I'm gonna take yet, so I'll do that another day. So I'm also going to be taking her little elephant. I already put everything in this baggie that I got from the Target registry, because right now my diaper bag is on the way. Hopefully it's here by the time I need it. I'm also going to be taking her car seat, just in case, you know. You never know.
You're gonna take popcorn? For what?
You look so funny struggling.
I don't know. I don't know. There's like a lot. Come on, Isaac. I know it's scary. Oh, it's so hot.
¿Qué es esto?
What's a trap?
Ándeles.
Wait. Those are traps.